In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopee platform to make a purchase efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to online shopping or just need a quick reminder, follow along as we go through the process step by step. First, let's kick things off by heading to the Shopee dashboard. This is your main hub where you can browse and search for a variety of products. Right above, you'll spot the search bar, your gateway to the vast marketplace. When you know exactly what you're looking for, it streamlines your shopping experience. For example, let's say you're in search of a t-shirt. Simply type t-shirt into the search bar and press enter. This action will pull up a wide array of options for you to choose from, each varying in style, brand, and price. Now that you're browsing through the selection, take your time to find a t-shirt that catches your eye. Once you've found one that interests you, click on it to reveal more details about the product. If the item offers variants like different colors, sizes, or quantities, make sure to select the options that suit your preferences. This ensures that what you receive is exactly what you want. After you've made your selections, simply click the Add to Cart button. This action doesn't mean you're ready to purchase just yet, but saves your item for later. Now, you'll want to locate your cart, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page. By clicking on it, you'll see all the items you've gathered neatly lined up for you to review. Here, take a moment to confirm your selections and then check the checkbox next to the item you intend to buy. This step signifies that you are indeed ready to proceed with the purchase. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click Checkout. On the next page, you might notice a prompt for Change Voucher. For those looking to save a bit of money, Shopee often provides vouchers which can be applied for discounts. Click on this option to explore the available vouchers. Choose the one that best applies to your purchase, ensuring it meets any conditions listed to make your voucher valid. And just like that, you're all set. Following these simple yet thorough steps will ensure a smooth shopping experience on Shopee. With these tips, you'll be able to purchase items quickly, confidently, and possibly at a discounted rate. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating and making purchases on